At the beginning of the novel, Henry reports that 7,000 soldiers have died due to what? Due to what? In col- cholera है. The cholera है. Immediately before Henry kisses Catherine for the first time, they make a pact to do what? Drop all discussion about the war. Hemingway famously said that a writer can omit things that he knows and that a reader, if the winter is writing truthfully enough, will have a feeling of those things as strongly as though the writer had stated them. One term best describes this philosophy, the Lieberg theory है. Before Henry heads off to the font at Pavis, what does Catherine give him? A St. Anthony medal है. Before the trench mortal woods him, why does Henry leave the dugout? To get food for his driver. How does Mrs. Walker greet Henry upon his arrival at the American hospital in Milan? She becomes frazzled because she cannot arrange a room for him without a doctor order. Why does the barber who comes to shave Henry almost kill him? He mistakes Henry for an Austrian soldier. What is the name of the good natural doctor who agreed to operate on hungry leg? Dr. Valentine. Why does Catherine decide to bet on a certain horse in a race that she believed has been fixed? The horse has been dyed a different color. How does Catherine respond to the news that Henry has received 3 weeks of a convalescent leave? She tells him that she is pregnant. What characteristic makes Etoire's Moretti a good contest to Lieutenant Henry? Ettore is a braggart. Why does Henry do when the engineering sergeant in Ermos car refuses to help recuse the vehicles from the mud? He shoots at them. Where does Catherine accompany Henry before he leaps for the font? To a gun shop. In what year was a farewell to arms published? सन 1929 में. Why do the battle politicize Henry? He is an officer. How is Henry wounded after he crawls out of the river whilst attempting to hide on a train? He cut his hand. In Milan, who lent Henry a suit of his civilian clothing? Ralph Simron. What is a Helen Ferguson reaction upon seeing Henry in Styria? Sees Henry that he has a complicated Catherine life by shooting her and getting her pregnant. Why do the Shugats anguish in front of a Catherine and Henry? They disagree over city offer the best winter sport. Which destination to Catherine and Henry claim they have come to Switzerland to visit? Locarno. In later life, what nickname and Henry Hemingway aims to convey a sense of strength, wisdom and मतलब mastery. पापा है. Why does Catherine suggest that Henry grow a beard? She feared that he growing restless and need a change. Before she dies, what does Catherine say that the world has done to her? That is her broken her. What place does Catherine dream of visiting after she officially marries Henry? What is Henry's reaction to his childbirth? She showed no interest. Henry Hemingway was born to middle class parents in Oak Park, Illinois. He later condemned them harshly for their conventional morality. What मतलब कि organization did Hemingway join as an ambulance driver in 1918? Italian Red Cross. In which city was Hemingway hospitalized after being injured by a trench mortar shell during World War I? Milan. Who was the nurse with whom Hemingway had a romance that likely inspired the one in A Farewell to Arms? Agnes von Coroxy. Hemingway was not renowned as a doctor. What is the occupation of Lieutenant Frederick Henry, the protagonist of A Farewell to Arms? Ambulance driver. What illness in Henry diagnosed with and accused of self-inflicting by the skeptical Miss Van Campen? Jaundice. Henry narrowly escapes being killed by in the chaos surrounding the Italian army defeat Italian soldier. After Henry is reunited with Catherine in Stresa, where do the two escape to Switzerland? How does Catherine die at the end of the novel Farewell to Arms? A Farewell to Arms. In childbirth. What physical aspect of Catherine Barclay is described in a fantastically sensuous term? Her hair. Who is the street called superintendent of a nurse at the American hospital where Catherine worked? Miss Van Campen. Which 94 years old character represent a more mature version of a Henry character and Hemingway masculine idols? Count Giffey, who is a surgeon in the Italian army and Henry's closest friend. Rinaldi. Which genius friend of Henry is also an opera student? Ralph Simran. When describing his experience in the war, Henry portrays himself as motivated primarily by duty. As the book orphan, who is Catherine Barclay in mourning for her friends. Friends का मतलब मंगेतर. What is suggested to be the likely cause of Rinaldi presumed death, given is a womanizer tendency? Syphilis. Dash मतलब कि deception as blissful submitting to a domesticity wrangled some feminist critics. Catherine Barclay. Henry feeling for a Catherine reveals a characteristically मतलब कि unusual demonstration of vulnerability है. Valentine, Rinaldi, and Bonolo all embody which of the novel motif इन आ फेयरवेल टू आर्म से ली गई है। यह करेक्टर इन आ फेयरवेल टू आर्म से ली गई है और सोवॉन्जरिंग मैस्कुलिनिटी है। Henry abandonment of his military responsibility to be with Catherine embody which of the novel motif in a farewell to arm। Loyalty vs मतलब कि एम्डोमेंट है। At the state of a novel, Henry playful flirtation with Catherine in is an example of which motif divertisement है। What meteorological phenomenon is a recurring symbol of the inevitable distinction of happiness? Rain है। The scene in which Henry spontaneously shoots the engineer is emblematic of which of the novel motif? The grimness of a war। In the opening chapter, who does Henry speculated is in the fastest traveling cars on the road to the battlefront? The king at the मतलब कि start of the winter, what disease swept thou the rank and killed 7,000 soldiers? Cholera। In Gorizia, who do the soldier taunt with crowd मतलब कि nowadays about his sexuality? The spirit। How many lyre does Henry loan to Rinaldi so that Rinaldi can pretend to be wealthy man? 50। The first time Henry moves to kiss Catherine, how does she react? She slaps him। What does Catherine refer to as a routine game the second time Henry visits her? Their romantic affair है। The soldier that attempts to give himself a head injury is suffering from and trying to exacerbate a hernia है। What does Rinaldi feed to the drunk Henry at the Beatrice Hospital in an attempt to sober him up? Coffee beans। What does Catherine give to Henry to protect him before the fighting at Pavla? A St. Anthony medal है। At Pavla, Henry is seriously wounded by a trench mortar that also killed Pasini है। After Henry is wounded at Pavla, who visits him in the hospital and insists he be decoded for his heroism? Rinaldi है। What type of reading material does the priest bring to Henry while he is convalescing in the hospital? English newspaper। Where is Henry sent to receive better treatment for his wounded leg? Milan। The night before Henry is transferred to a news hospital, Rinaldi asks Henry if President Wilson will declare war on Austria। What does Henry ask for at the hospital that irritates Miss Van Capson? Wine with meals। What does Miss Gag find under Henry's bed, which he fears he will get is trouble for? An empty vermouth bottle है। After Henry X-ray 3 doctor agree that he should wait to have his leg operated on 6 month. Catherine warns Henry that he aesthetic he will receive during a surgery may make him charity. When Catherine asks Henry how many women he slept with, what number does he give? None. After his operation, who help Henry pass notes to Catherine while she is on duty? Helen Ferguson. What is the name of the restaurant that Henry and Catherine frequent in Milan? Gran Italia. Ettore Moriarty is an Italian soldier from which US city? San Francisco. What is Ettore Moriarty? Explanatory, proud of a climbing that he worked hard for them. His war medals. Which of the Henry friend does Catherine intensely dislike? Ettore Moriarty. How for long is Catherine in her pregnancy when she reveals it to Henry in September? 3 months. Where does Miss Van Kempson find to Henry room, leading her to file a report denying him his convalescent leave? Empty liquor bottles. What does Catherine buy for her hotel? Ready Jews with Henry before he travels back to the font, an impressive nightgown. As he prepares to leave for the font, Henry received a couplet which Catherine recognized as which poet work. Andy Marvel, who offered Henry at Gorgia asking him if Catherine is good in bed. Rinaldi at Gorengia. Henry tell the priest that he believe in sleep. After a night of Henry bombardment, the Italians at the Brenzia are terrified to learn that the attacking force include Germans who are Piney and Armo, with whom Henry dines in Gorizia before resuming the retreat. Ambulance driver. As the company retreated from Gorizia, Henry found two engineering officers in Bonello's car. Where does Henry fall asleep and sleep talk of Catherine? In Penny car. After Henry shoot the engineer who draw a pistol and kill the wounded man. Bonello. During the retreat, which of Henry Kempson is killed by friendly fire from the Italian rear guard? Armo. During the retreat, which of Henry Kempson abandoned the group at the farmhouse in hope of serving at a prisoner? Bonello. After escaping into the frigid river, what identifying symbol does Henry remove from his shirt? Stars. After crossing the Battalion plains, Henry hid under a tarp in a train car stocked with guns. What is Henry referring to when he say it was not my show anymore? The war. After Henry escaped to Milan, what business does he enter in which the proprietor offered to help him? A wine shop. What does Simmons give to Henry before sending him after Catherine to Steresa? A suit of clothes. What is the name of the hotel bartender in Stirsa who tell Henry that two English nurses are staying nearby. Emilio. What game does Henry play with Count Griffith at the Stirsa Hotel? Billiards. Who gives Henry and Catherine the boat that they used to escape from Stirsa? Emilio. What condition does Catherine have that promotes concern about her pregnancy? A narrow pelvis. What does Henry agree to do and Catherine's suggestion to prevent him from growing restless grow beard? What does Catherine tell Henry she intends to do after the baby is born to make herself exciting? Buy a new dress. What town to Catherine and Henry move to in March to be closer to the hospital? Lausne. What is occurring at the same time as Henry walk back to his hotel after Catherine's death? A rainstorm. What is Robert Jordan's nickname for Maria Rabbit? What does Maria have short hair? Fascists cut it when they pillaged her town. What does Raphael leave his post guarding the camp? He lives to tap two hairs. How does Pillar's relationship with the Toreador Pianto end? Pianto died as a result of a complication from injuries in a bullfight. Which of the following character does not mention Maria's physical beauty at some point during the novel? Pablo. How do the guerrilla fighters store their wine in hollowed out animals' skins? What is Antes' brother name? Primitivo. What does Maria say that prompt Robert Jordan to tell her that he loves her, that she should not sleep with him if he does not love her? To whom does Pablo whisper affectionately on the night that Robert Jordan arrived at the guerrilla camp? His horse. Which member of his guerrilla camp are at least partly of a crispy distant? Raphael and Pilar. मतलब कि approximately how many days to event of the novel span? 3. Which character are referred to as old Climo and Primitivo? Which member of the guerrilla band stay at his observation post throughout the snowstorm? Anselmo. How does Caskin die? Robert Jordan shot him. Which of the following characters fight on the fascist side? Paco Berendo, who is killed or severely wounded by the explosion at the bridge? Anselmo. What is La Guerrilla? The term Maria used to describe a particular sexual experience. Who to our knowledge does not pay during the time span of the novel? Robert Jordan. What does Robert Jordan compare to a merry-go-round? The circle of a conversation between him and Pablo, who warned Robert Jordan to take Maria's love seriously. Augustine. What is Robert Jordan's theory about why Al Shardo camp was attacked? because the snow stopped falling earlier than expected. The physicists were able to follow the tracks that El Shadow Man left while gathering horse. What does Anselmo no longer pray if he say he misses it so much? The Republican leadership outlawed religion. What was Robert Jordan's occupation in America? Teacher. During which war does the novel take place? Spanish Civil War. What happened at the very end of the novel? Robert Jordan waited to shoot the approaching lieutenant. How did Ernest Hemingway begin his professional writing career? As a newspaper reporter. Which of the following people served as a mentor to a Hemingway and likely inspired pillar in For Whom the Bell Tolls? Gertrude Steins. What major world event serves at the backdrop in For Whom the Bell Tolls? Spanish Civil War. Regarding the conflict between the loyalist and nationalist, which of the following best describe Hemingway's personal stance? Actively supported loyalty से. Which of the following characteristic is a most fundamental to Hemingway code hero character types? Graceful struggle against death है. What mission does the Republican command ascent reporter Jordan? Blowing up a fenced bridge. Whom does Robert Jordan suspect to be the truth leader of the guerrillas pillar? What ultimately happened to the member of El Sardo band of guerrillas? They are ill beheaded. What happened to Robert Jordan dispatched to the Republican command, in which he commands cancelling the bridge mission? It arrived too late. At the end of the novel, why must Robert Jordan be left behind? His leg is broken. What did Pablo start doing that caused him to go bad? Drinking alcohol. What kind of imagery does Hemingway use to describe Maria? Earthly imagery. Who is secretly in love with Maria? मतलब कि Augustine है. Which of the following word is most frequently used to describe Raphael? Worthless है. Which personality trait to Pablo and Ardis share near sexual enjoyment of killing? What profession did Robert Jordan hold before joining the Republican effect? University professor. What does Robert Jordan privately think regarding politics? He has no politics. What aspect of a Pablo character does Hemingway bring out by comparing him to a boar, bull and other animals? His stubbornness. Demonstrating her mystical character, Pillar claims to be able to smell which of the following death? According to many critics, what does the character of Maria totally represent? Spain itself. According to novel, who lose their innocence in war? Victim of a violence भी है, परपीटर ऑफ ए वायलेंस भी है, इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जर्वर भी है. ये सभी हैं. रिगार्डिंग एंड गुरिल्लास, व्हाट पर्पज डेट द एसोसिएशन बिटवीन द गुरिल्लास एंड रैबिट सर्वे? इट अंडरस्कोर्स देयर फेरिलिटी. व्हाट डज द टेक्निक ऑफ हैविंग Robert Jordan both begin and end the same position. Help the reader understand how he has changed. Why does Hemingway lament the industrialization naturally caused by the Spanish Civil War? It destroyed community life. For what purpose does Robert Jordan use his flex of exynity, build of a relationship and trust? What theme does the epitaph by John Donne establish? That as a shared experience है.